Welcome to the session. Today, we learn how to negate a predicate function in JavaScript. By applying the unary negate operator, we can invert the logic of any function. This is useful when filtering, searching, or performing conditional operations. Let's get started. A predicate function returns true or false based on some condition. By negating it, we can reverse its logic. For example, if is even 4 returns true, negating it gives false, making it an is odd function. This function takes another function as the input and returns a new function that negates its result. For instance, negating an is even function allows us to filter out even numbers, keeping only the odd ones. We take a function as input, apply negation using the unary negation operator, and return the modified function. This can be used for filtering all logical operations. This example shows how negation inverts results. The isEven function normally returns true for 4, but negating it makes it isOdd for return false. This technique is useful in filtering datasets, simplifying conditional logic, and reversing search criteria dynamically. In summary, the negate function is a simple yet powerful tool for reversing logic in JavaScript. It's widely used in filtering and simplifying conditional expressions. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.